It's difficult to explain the layout of this property, but this property was built over about 40 years in different times, and kind of just whatever the need was at that moment. Basically in the middle of the property now, these steps we're going to be redoing here. There's about 50 steps here. All of them are different. And yeah, it's so we're going to redo this entire thing from this kind of flat area all the way up to where we have like a soccer court up here. We have like an amphitheater that's covered over here. A lot of work going into that. Just a quick kind of spin around. We've got the 2-story school building here. Downstairs has got an auditorium, and then on this other side is a kindergarten area, and then more classroom space here. We're currently putting up a big wall here as the retaining wall, as this just keeps going up and up, the retaining wall is coming down. So we are putting up a better reinforced one and modifying the space a little bit. We'll need to do the same thing at a higher level and redo this retaining wall up here as well. Everything's a mess because of the retaining wall construction on the bottom side, but this wall has moved out considerably, and we will be putting up a new wall here as well. And then we will have to resurface the this is actually a court area when we're not in construction. This area over here has gone down about 8 inches as it sunk down over the last couple of years. So we have to redo quite a bit of things here. This is the top side of where we're redoing the wall on the bottom. This is the top floor of one of the older buildings. This roof has a tremendous amount of leaks. It's about 10 years past the expiration date. Several years ago during a high wind, a big chunk of the roof flew off, and just kind of have it temporarily covered up. We had to redo this entire roof, the whole form of the roof, and put in gutter systems on both sides. It would be nice to do the same thing to this connecting roof, but that one's not yet an issue. In the back of the auditorium, we have a temporary sound booth system at the moment. We are planning to upgrade put in a booth and have a good spot for everything. Most things have to be kind of put away after each service, as this is kind of an open building situation.